Jeff vile vengeli vya korende nto bata timu korora gongorwa Gusii na chiro Kisii County Nyamira County charenga sitio soli chuchia basketball tukorigire ego soli yaba mwira nigo Nyanchwa boys na ro yarenge aba mura nambe yemo koru Kisii County asego soli ya basketball na bakanyara gosoki wase chi semi final na mayo gosoki wase chi semi final neskuru ya agorosare rero igamba gosoli chi playoff choko ligi namba 3 ase bagosoli neskuru ya Maranda boys ego soli yarenge nkongu sana omweli oye eskuru ya Nyanchwa boys ya wese 61-60 pointe ya moyoka yarenge gosoli nkongu sana ndage kera mukomera na kefa mogire omoroke mweno Nyanchwa bagotibi mugano bwensi buno renge na ase gosoli ya baswati nigo St Angela Sengera girls nero korwa igese county ya Kisii babete bakuikabekera ngo gie chi semi final bagasoki wisiko ase chi semi final kurende bagosoli na babuchi playoff rero na omwele baba bakubu neskuru ya Katolo girls kone kibuna Katolo girls nero namba 3 na St Angela Sengera namba 4 Jeff ataraba gusanga ibirengeri bya yegure chi timu cyakorongo rwa Gusii ntu abato gusanga bene na amoroke monene bwe timu ya Nyanchwa boys ya maseyemo twende nsemo ya kabiri ya studio tugwe birengeri byaye tumegosanga igore ya basketball ya Gusii Omanche morere aigana segeti ya Asumbi TTC ne gosori ya basketball ya bere ko bage ko gosori gune gosori ya playoff mage timu ya Nyanchwa boys gotangana ime Kisii County nigo bona baikira iga se gosori ya bwato wa mereri obotindi mono no moreo ko bwa timu ya Maranda High School 2.61 ese timu ya Nyanchwa boys na 60 ase timu ya Maranda High School gosori ya lenken ko mono sana kurende maiga yabu Nyanchwa bere gati timu chiri chintangani mono sana korongo rwa Gusii ko namba 3 ase chikosole cha Nyanza Regional League mwanje moliti kwana Mangustin Sanga mangentora igano morokyo monene we timu ya Nyanchwa boys omekaine buna kefa mogire asanga tubune sabari ya Nyanchwa yabeire boikera boniga igombia mono congratulations litangani bitu cyake negosuri ya boniga mwabire mokobwa nakiye sori yabeire technically
mpiro ngoma ko musanda nge very technical kinya bake baitonga mbaka according to instructions banyara ko mpiro tolenge raisi Maranda mbo bata wanafunzi bareba bata intelligence ere igoromono ninto bate mesa into babwira
nimaite yarenge win yarenge close mono sana sengencho andake chista eka yemo inseni go kwarenge inseno mweli oye wakora changes no mweli chako konya kubwa kwanyora chi tries ivero chyo mweli chakonya kwabwa ne point ya yemo umuhimu kie kwa namba 3 ase chikosole chik ebwate ko chesa no moroke monene
number 1 inchune coach emi ano gotwara progression in basketball kerna chitega region ritangani that is 3 years ago na renge number 6 the next time na chitenga number 5 this is my third time at the region of number 3 it's very important and to my players they are getting certificates for the same so it's prestigious for us as Kisii County to be position 3 as a basketball twana wikabraisi
congratulations sana konde tara kwa ngi kwelimwachi go change go cha sentune nde ko bwati kuna boto randa kina ke safari no yabire kere mwachi taiga ime regional ninu nambe ya moko Kisii County kurwa ko soli ntangani go kiraboni kana ki every game yabire scores stiora inyole go kiraboro
twakire biege ntangani twabweza tokawe timu runga Migori boys chi baskets 51-31 ya kabirika nyaronjika ba ka final siga bagatobwa 31 to 51 it was a very tight match semis when the defending champions agorosare bagatobwa 69 to 47 very tight again kono playoffs over number 3 over Maranda umetoka ni giant schools tell raisi kaintu atemire sana kono in my next championship I want to be in the finals because that's the next step now
nimete korwa sorongo rwa county ya Kisii torole ndake basketball ngonya go kinere sente saba subati daro je St Angela Sengera nero yaba namba 4 magego siri chi semi final nero ikiro chikimanta ke kodu tukini basketball chi school chinyenge chiese na chikale koru Kisii County Nyamira
tofauti ya Kisii County na Nyamira County chi principal chi hapo garachi ko support ya bana baguri scholarships sana baka agoro sarega na unjiko ebra South Sudan abatambe sana pono njiko Gusii to koteke mwana walibeka rasmi baka waida one we cannot compete at this level unless we start also supporting for scholarships, game scholarships. Not only competing. Right now, I was struggling because I didn't have it. Talk to train 8 months. I don't know game montaba tamba valenta se team. Ntobabuati.
Yonda kwa wate banake coaching gose chiskuru chiba chikwenda chiarigeli aba gosoli mapema chiaba sponsorship bali babugato ko bwase chigosoli mapema gosenkia whatever.
Yeah, ngoteba for us to compete in Kisii County, to give good players, we give them scholarships in our schools. Because that is what all schools are doing in Nyanza. Tare kerabo, they're competing in our but we are trying.
ndake ntarati gukore semeli mbwate na kefa mogiro gatia gwatania barene ba basketball asorogongo rwa Gusii andake chikosoli chie kuru county ya Kisii tutigana na mangana basketball taro chikosoli chinyenge handball enko yitweka chi semi final nkeigo andake njiranyo rebagere kese chi final kone na kiura erese team ya kuru Gusii region na kia compete ase entunde
kakie twatemire sana matendo boys negate finals as rugby and they're internationals and then Kisii school basketball 3x3 mbange finals bakabuna yala into kire semi finals progressively we are doing very well in Kisii county go improve tole just small things into internationals wanga nto tokende.
Yeah, like all the best na ambia mona sali oski wate vire mbuya mono mwancho molero ya mekaine buna kefa mogire omorokyo monene bwe timu ya Nyanchwa boys ya vire na mbaisa to ase gosori ya basketball olchinga kie chechu ntobata ba gosori ve timu ya basketball korwaiga ase timu ya Nyanchwa boys ndabe gingo sanganere igonda nyale komotebya ndake anyale ko bakagocha aiga tobe togo sanganere ase emangana yarengete basketball nere nabe agotorena kyobo gimavuaye bwa beira ase gosori ye na ngikerikya vire ko bana mwancho molero nyora buna sense mende final nigeregatie skuri ya Onjiko boys amone skuri ya Agoro sari kule bwana omosoli ochiraiga asante sana kufika hapa shika ball najua mnapenda ball sana kwa hivyo kwanza kabisa mmefika number 3 ina mean nini kwako na unaanza na jina yako?
As for me, I'm called Hakavo Eugene Shirandula, and it means a lot to me having reached at the position 3 among the rankings. It has been really tough for us to reach position 3. It has not been really easy. We are determined to win, but I don't think that we did enough, but come next time we're going to do enough so that we can be at the position 1.
You know, I know since 2019 when the schools went for a break, there has not been much of the sporting activities. It's the first edition after COVID-19. Maybe, could you say maybe the lack of consistent trainings and matches led to the levels not being so much as you had expected?
Yes, as for me I could say that. And as for everything that you have said according to the COVID-19 break, it has really affected because the sports came as a surprise. The sports came as a surprise. So many of the teams were not prepared. So we were surprised even us. But we thank God that as for us we had trained really well and we performed the way we performed.
I know next year we have another edition. Maybe if you're not a finalist, if you have a next chance, what could you do different in the next edition?
As for us, we will perform better than what we did today and move to position 2 or 1, but most likely position 1.
Thank you and all the best. You're going to give me my ball. Okay, mwancho molero yuno mogosoli bwe timu ya Nyanchwa boys nechinga kiechecho St Angela Sengera nero abire skuru engia sana korwaiga sorogongo rwe county ya Kisii naomba getase chi semi final no mweleo yabasiria gosoli yechi ye a playoff koligi na mbaisato ndobwato mogosoli obonere turabeto gosanganere naro tebina ki amangana abire koru ase a team yabo. Yeah, I know for your school it has been so much competitive from the beginning. You are number 1 from Kisii County, then you add the playoff. Let's begin with the playoff. Beginning with your name and how the playoff match was and which opponent it was. Look at the camera.
The first game?
No, the playoff.
I'm Fatima Ishmael Juma from St Angela Sengera Girls. We managed to be the number 4. The school that has removed us from the last in semis was Barchando, and we played with Katolo to get number 3 and 4. They scored us 40-39 with 1 point. It was just a simple mistake that next time the promise will change.
Yeah, maybe you said it was just 1 point. It was very painful. I saw the mood. It was very painful for you as a school. Maybe next time if you are given a chance, what will you do differently?
Next time when we are given a chance to come for the regionals again, we will make sure we go and train well in our defense so that next time when we come, we aim win nationals because our motto says we aim high.
Maybe before I'm done with you, St Angela Sengera, I may wish to know maybe from the beginning when you came here, for you to reach at the semi-finals, it means you won your previous matches. How can you begin from first day, the experience until you reach the semi-finals?
When we came on Thursday, on Thursday, we had a match with Ekinyoro. We scored them 60-18. And the second,
wow, that's a very big range.
Yes, the second match we played with Katolo, the one that we played with it the last game, and we scored them 42-29. The third game, which was the semis, we played with Barchando, whereby they scored us 40-49. Then we had to meet again with Katolo where they remove us with the 1 point.
Okay, lastly, as we finished, your school gave you so much support to reach this level. What do you tell your school for the support it gave you and the experience you've had here?
For our school, we just say thank you because they've been with us. The teachers were not sleeping here, but they used to come every now and then and they were keeping time. So it means they were with us. With this one, it was just a simple mistake that next time we promise to change.
What is your parting shot to all those who are looking at you live here at Ndizi TV from other schools and other sportsmen from this edition? What can you tell other students in the school?
For those who are looking at us here now, we can say if there are players, we can say that next time, even them, those who have lost, it's not the last time. We have some chances. Like me, I'm in third. I have next year. I promise I'll do my best. When you'll come here, you'll just find me here heading to nationals.
Okay, I'll not forget this day. I'll ask you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you and all the best for the time you've had with us.
Thank you.
Mwancho murieri oyino moroki we skuru ya St. Angela Sengera othana uba gokire koba namba inye ne skuru ya Nyanchwa boys koba namba 3 na tebabuna asentunde kobwati ama mocho bakora asentunde mbaye bakonyakora na kwene kibine ntunde kobwati mbaye kekerengo baitani keli baika asentri mwancho murieri urasa mwana rengete go sori ya basketball asiti sori cheskuru abuno ngo ikiromo elibuna botambe njire tanende mo Steven captain 001 na igani gamanya kainebuna Asumbi TTC egotoka ime county ya Homa Bay. St. Angela Sengera whatever next edition we'll do our best and see we have achieved what we didn't achieve this time. Ebune bisonge binge korenda ndake kiengencho nkelibuna mbaye semeria regional na konyara kwene kibuna barwane rirongo rwa Gusii region kwa bana mbaye sato Nyanchwa boys na St. Angela Sengera kwa bana mbaye nya saba sobate ni lora tebego rechi timu echi chakurugusia
anda kendo chenga timu echi njate metekaro kuri no mupiro basketball kali mupiro go chawa kugeti kende yansimine ketogora ko mupiro yonde wa magoro notagete investment yana korosie court na kora equipment so no mwari mukeva nkore ngina ara talire school yayo na bege to mokisana turini abamura Nyanchwa bali aseba igetemba temete nande byomona tu asogo to wakirisha na Gusii as a region. I hope next time we will talk to